subscribe, like, notify. Let's get it. Welcome to a new episode. Subscribe and Real G Phone Say. Best upcoming vlogger of 2024. Get it. Real G for life, you already know. Happy New Year to the whole squad. Help. A lot of blessings for the 2024 guy. Let's get it. Happy New Year. On my CT. What's up, Jay? Come to my city. You want to play with snow? Ripa. Plenty. Looky. Nanani. Looky, Nanani. Look at the snow, baby. Lani, look at the snow. You see the snow? Lani, look at the snow, Theo. Look. That's how we're living right now, Jay. Marty, look at this, Marty. Jameer and Joel, look, snow. Rompiendo espalda, papi. Eso es lo que hay hoy. ¿Ah? Rompiendo espalda. ¿Y tú que sales temprano? Oh, shit. I'm so thirsty, yo. Guys, I don't know, but something gotta be wrong with me, because I went to sleep Sunday night, and I just got up this morning at 5 in the morning. Like, I could sleep for fucking 1 or 2 days without stopping. It's scary, though. I could literally sleep 2 days without stopping. Guaranteed. But I ain't gonna push it. There's a lot of things you go while you're doing it too. A lot of dreams and shit. Look at the cars, man. Nice, huh? Who says snow is terrible? This is beautiful, look. Look at that cocaine. Take a puff. Snort that bitch.